Hello friends, welcome to Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to start a new series of 600 most expected ecology and environment MCQs. These MCQs are the compilation of previous year's question papers that were asked in different teacher recruitment exams like TGT, PGT, college lecturer and assistant professors. Without wasting time, let's start. Competition between the individuals of the same species is called intraspecific struggle. So, C is the correct option of this question. Y-shaped model of energy flow in an ecosystem represents the only grazing food chain, only detritus food chain, both grazing and detritus food chain, or food web. Correct option is both grazing and detritus food chain. This is the correct answer this question. C. Wetland Day is observed on 2nd February. This is the correct answer. Which one of the following is a bioindicator of sulfur dioxide solution? Its bioindicator is lichens. Plants which tolerate narrow range of temperature are known as stenothermal. B is the correct answer. Most hazardous metal pollutant of automobile exhaust is lead. A is the correct answer. The number of primary producers within a specified area would be maximum in of these options. Pond is the correct answer. Pond ecosystem has maximum number of primary producers. Two important hotspots in India are Eastern Himalayas and Western Ghats. A is the correct option. Two genotypes growing in different environment and showing similar phenotypes are referred as, they are called as phenocopies. C is the correct answer. Man and Biosphere program was launched by UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. In which year and where latest International Botanical Congress was held? It was held in Shenzhen, China in 2016. D is the correct answer. Ultraviolet radiation is injurious to plants because it causes gene mutations. So D is the correct answer. Which of the following is mainly responsible for ozone depletion? CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons are responsible for the depletion of ozone. Plants with fleshy leaves or without leaves are mainly found in deserts. B is the correct answer. Nematophores are commonly found in nematophores. ये हमें कहाँ मिलते हैं? In aerial roots, or they work for the gaseous exchange and are present in mangrove plants and also some swamp plants like Avicennia and Rhizophora. C is the correct option. Nematophores are commonly found in Avicennia and Rhizophora. The colonization of food by lactobacillus precludes the invasion of that food by other bacteria due to production of lactic acid. The relationship is known as its amensalism. When one organism inhibits the growth of other organism, it is called as amensalism. A transitional zone where two or more different communities meet and integrate, it is called as ecotone. Major source of atmospheric methane in India is rice fields. C is the correct answer. The abnormality of sudden flattening of stem is called as phylloclade formation. B is the correct answer. In Ronquier's life form, the trees are included in phanerophytes. Phanero means The visible. They have the visible birds. Freon is considered to be one of the chemicals responsible for depletion of ozone layer. The reaction is believed to be started by radicals of chlorines. Ozone depletion starts with the reaction with chlorine. Peroxyacetyl nitrate (PAN) is formed in the atmosphere by reaction of acetyl peroxy radical with, it starts with the reaction when it acetyl peroxy radicals start reaction with nitrogen dioxide. C is the correct answer. Partially decomposed litter, partially or fully, is known as humus. As pollutant, which of the following causes Minamata disease? Minamata disease is caused by mercury. In an article on ecosystem, the following subtitles were used. Which one of them do you think is incorrect? Cycling of minerals is correct. Cycling of energy. Instead of cycling of energy, it is transfer of energy from one trophic level to the other. This is a wrong answer. This is incorrect. Other options are correct. Components of ecosystem and pyramids of ecosystem. Question number 26. National park of our country emphasize at protecting the flora and fauna both. They protect both flora as well as fauna. Excessive discharge of fertilizers into water bodies result in eutrophication. Eutrophication is caused by the excessive fertilizers. Option C is correct. Biofertilizers are living cells of nitrogen fixing organisms. C is the correct answer. Nitrogen fixation is inhibited by. Nitrogen fixation can be inhibited by ammonia. International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Arid Tropics ICRISAT is located at. It is located at Hyderabad. Which important greenhouse gas other than methane is liberated from the agricultural fields? Beside methane, nitrogen dioxide is also liberated from the rice fields or agricultural fields. The niche of species is meant for its particular habitat as well as the function that species perform. So option C is the correct answer, habitat and the specific function of a species. In water bodies, eutrophication is caused due to high nutrient contents due to nitrogen as well as nitrate. So A is the correct option. Which of the following ecosystem has least productivity? Least productivity among these is in oceans. D is the correct answer. Field capacity percentage is maximum in, that is in clay soils. D is the correct answer. The maximum damage to forest cover on earth is being done by biotic factors, means by the human beings. The basic unit of biosystematic studies is its ecotype. It's the correct answer in this. Ecotype is a distinct form of a plant or an animal species that is occupying a particular habitat. In Acacia auriculiformis, the rachis is modified into phylloclade. Which of the following is not an insecticide of biological origin? Pyrethrin, Bt toxin, and azadirachtin. All these we get from biological origins, and malathion is a organophosphate insecticide. So correct answer is malathion. It is not of biological origin. Azolla has become important in agriculture because it is being used as a biofertilizer. Azolla is a fern. The major greenhouse gas among these is carbon dioxide, CO2. An example of a Malacophilus xerophyte. Malacophilus xerophyte among these is Begonia species, and Malacophilus xerophyte has a characteristic that is they have reduced stems and succulent leaves. Biomagnification phenomena is related to DDT, that is it is increasing when it goes from one trophic level to the higher trophic level, its concentration goes on increasing. Plant succession on sand is known as Samosyria. जिसमें plant succession sand से start होता है, that is called as Samosyria. The food chain that starts from plants and goes from smaller to larger animals is called as predator food chain. Option C is correct here. Excess of which of the following in the aquatic system leads to eutrophication? As I had discussed earlier also, it is phosphate and nitrates. D is the correct answer. Arboreal animals are very large in size and they are more common in tropical rainforest. National Botanical Research Institute (NBRI) is located at Lucknow. Velamen cells are found in epiphytes. At which place? They are found just outside the exodermis. So B is the correct answer. Velamen cells, they covers the root of some epiphytes and are well capable of absorbing atmospheric moisture as well as nutrients. Ecosystem has two components. Two components of ecosystem are biotic as well as abiotic. Ozone is a pollutant gas in troposphere. In stratosphere, it acts as a umbrella which protects us from UV rays, and in troposphere, it acts as a pollutant gas. An ecosystem having highest primary productivity is a tropical forest. A is the correct answer. Ozone in the ozone layer is produced by the action of ultraviolet radiations. The most important element associated with protoplasm and proteinaceous material of plant is nitrogen. Leh, located in the Jammu and Kashmir state, is ecologically a cold desert. The science dealing with relations of plant with different tribal and aboriginal societies is called ethnobotany. Ethnobotany is a science that deals with the plants and their relation with the tribal as well as aboriginal societies, how they use different plants in their daily routine as well as in different medicinal purposes. The International Biological Program (IBP) was launched in 1967 too. It was launched for the study of biological basis of organic productivity and conservation of natural resources in relation to human welfare. This is the correct answer. Study the following statement with respect to the submerged primary producers of a lake and select the correct answer using the code given below the statement. We have to give the correct answer in relation to submerged primary producers of a lake. These carry out photosynthesis to produce food. Yes, primary producers carry out photosynthesis to make their food. This is correct answer. Then these evolve oxygen. Yes, if there is photosynthesis, oxygen will be evolved. These use oxygen dissolved in water. Yes, water molecules is needed, and oxygen released during photosynthesis comes from splitting of water during light reaction, which is used for preparation of ATP molecules. So these use oxygen dissolved in water also, and they do not need oxygen. This is wrong. So from all these, statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. This is the correct answer. Pollution in big cities can be controlled to a large extent by widening the roads and locating the factories away from the cities. It is correct. Cleanliness drive and balanced use of pesticide. It is also correct. Proper sewage and exit of chemicals from the factories. It is also correct. So all of the above are correct. This is the answer. Tropical dry deciduous forest can be found in Madhya Pradesh. So rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Please like, share and subscribe to get more videos on botany. Until next time, goodbye.